This week in Quick Tip Tuesday, I want to talk about how you get windshield wiper marks on your windscreen without an airbrush. Here you see how it looks like after you drove in the rain and you have those marks on your windshield. First, we're gonna mask the whole windshield with painter's tape. Then we're gonna paint on some half circles either with a ring template or with a compass. But please don't cut it on the window. You get some cutting marks on the window. So rather zip it off and cut it on the side on the cutting board. After that, you stick it on your window again. We take some average watercolor paint, black, and mix a little bit with water. And that's gonna be our dirty drain drops. Now to spray it on your windshield, we just take an average spray bottle that you find. This has happened to be an old deo, but take whatever you can find, and you put water in and you put a little bit of that black in, so it's basically a dirty water. Now you're gonna spray it on. We tried here first on a paper towel, and you're gonna spray it on your windshield, and that's pretty much it. You let it dry and spray it a few times. It depends how strong you want the effect, but that's pretty much it. After it dried, you just pull off the tape, and there you have it. But this was the tip of this week.